done a quick calculation, we can save 50 kilos on that truck just by changing the batteries. Where you can get away with the smaller 24 volts, where you can get away with one battery instead of two, you've got another cost saving. As I need batteries, I'll just be going with these batteries and running everything on these batteries here. They really impress me. Yeah, I'm Keith Cox, owner of Lizard's Concrete Pumping, Lizard's Agi Hire, own a total of 25 trucks. Been in business for 37 years. I buy new Kenworth trucks, as you see, but they still bring out they still come with the lead batteries, which are not maintenance free. And you can wreck the battery by just not keeping an eye on those levels of the acid in the batteries. These ones, you put them in and forget them. There's none of that. You can just put them straight in the truck. The normal charging system of the truck will keep it charged up. You don't have to change anything. So I've just bought 3 new Citrac Chinese trucks, and they're 24 volt as well. And we just had a look at the batteries in them, and we've just done a quick calculation. We can save 50 kilos on that truck just by changing the batteries. Where you can get away with the smaller 24 volts, where you can get away with one battery instead of two, you've got another cost saving. Because just to pick one up was heavy enough, but it had to be tilted right back to come in. Because there's 3 batteries, 2 on top and 1 on the bottom, and the bottom one, to get it in there, was a job and a half. So if you had a battery that's a third of the weight, that task would be so much easier. And you're taking away all the risk of injury. The tipper truck, the Isuzu, it's a 24 volt system, so they obviously run 2 12 volt batteries, lead batteries. We took both of them out and just put the one 24 volt ion battery in there. So we've got, once again, a huge weight saving, and we're only buying one battery. We're only buying one battery to replace the 2. As soon as we put these ion batteries in, I noticed straight away that when you hit the key, it jumps into life straight away. There was a difference. I could pick it straight away, so that was impressive. As I need batteries, I'll just be going with these batteries and running everything on these batteries here. They really impress me.